Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Microsoft Excel. There was a problem with the clipboard while you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is we need to try to close any Microsoft Excel or any Excel processes or instances. And before we can do that is you have to save all your documents or all your spreadsheets in the Microsoft Excel. Now after you have saved everything is you have to simply open in the Windows search bar task manager best match. Go ahead and click on that. Now here in the task manager window, simply search for Excel. Now you'll find any Microsoft Excel processes or instances. Simply make a right click and then you have to select End Task. And once you have completely closed Microsoft Excel from here, just try to open again your spreadsheet and try to see if the problem has been fixed. And for the next method is you can also try to restart or simply restart the Microsoft Excel. So if you open the Excel or while you are on your Excel sheet, now let me just maximize this and open my spreadsheet. So while you are on your spreadsheet or your book for the Microsoft Excel and you encounter the clipboard error, just simply close Microsoft Excel. You'll find this close button from here at the top right corner. Click on that and then you just need to open again the Microsoft Excel by opening or searching for it in the Windows search bar and clicking on it, and that will open the Microsoft Excel for you. And just open again your spreadsheet or your book and try to see if the problem has been fixed, because in some cases just by simply restarting it the problem will be fixed. And for the next method is we can also use the open and repair tool, which is a built-in tool here in the Microsoft Excel application. So click on this file tab right here and you have to click on this open. Click on browse and then just simply choose your spreadsheet. Then you have to click on this drop down arrow and you'll find this option open and repair. Click on that. This window will appear. Then you just have to simply click on this repair button and wait for a note that will state that I successfully repaired this one. And then for the next method is we have to, or we can also disable the Excel add-ins, because there are some cases that add-ins can cause the error for your Microsoft Excel. So click on this file tab right here at the top. Scroll down and you'll find more. Click on options. Then here in the list of options for the Excel options, you'll find add-ins. Click on that. Here you'll find manage. Click on this drop down arrow and choose Excel add-ins. Click on go. Then here, if these add-ins right here are enabled or checked, if these are checked, then these are enabled. So what you can do is you just need to uncheck that boxes and leave it unchecked. And after that, you just have disabled the add-ins on your, or the Excel add-ins. Click on OK. And just simply try to see if the problem has been fixed. And for the next method is we can also clear the clipboard history of our windows. So how can we do that? Press the Windows key and letter V key together. Now here you'll find this clear all button. Simply click on that. And after that, just try to open your Microsoft spreadsheet again. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.